Teac X7-R. I've just acquired these brand new rack ears. Which fits my X7-R perfectly because it's in near mint condition. It's a one owner, it's a keeper. And as you know, I'm that guy that likes everything to be rack mounted. So I'm going to sell the case. I'm not into wooden cases on audio. There it is. That's about as clean as they come. And it includes the feet. They come with it, and there's the 4 bolts that go into the they're quite long there, so they go into the frame of the Teac. So handy to have those with it. They're coming with it. So yeah, extremely clean piece. Just the case for sale, not the manual, not the deck. Case and the feet and the 4 screws. A couple of little marks there. I don't know if that's... Oh yeah, that'll come off, wherever that is. Yep, just a bit of... Let me see this here. This thing is... Oh yeah, that's off there, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful example. So if you're looking for a wooden case for one of these, but no side screws, I have to use those for the rack ears. But if you've got one of these already and it's in bad condition, you'll already have the screws for it. So let me just show you underneath, you get a good look at it. Extremely clean. So it won't be today, but I need to install a couple more of these Chatsworth racks. But when I do, I'll be installing that Teac X7-R amongst that lot. So there you have it.